I want to dig into some of the new numbers that you released today. You're saying you're operating at a $1 billion run rate, 40% market share in San Francisco. That number surprised me. How did you come up with that number? I wanted to dig in there.
Yeah, so it's in October we hit a $1 billion gross revenue run rate, and we now have over 40% market share in both San Francisco and a newer market, Austin. Those are the two examples that we provided today.
So how do you come up with that number, 40%?
So there's all sorts. Yeah, so there's third-party data on credit cards as well as emails that allow us to get the market share number. And actually, with the company we worked with, that third party, we asked them to predict how many rides we were doing, and it was so accurate and that we were able to trust in that data.
Carl Icahn took a big stake in Lyft earlier this year. What kind of an investor has he been? How active has he been? What's your relationship like?
Yeah, it's good. I saw him last week. The idea with Carl Icahn, it was our idea to approach them. They've been a disciplined investor, and they make good noise about the truth behind our business, which is what we want to tell people about today, about the 40% share in San Francisco and the $1 billion run rate. This is a massive opportunity. Lyft is growing faster than any other player in our space in the U.S., and we're taking share because of that.
So I just came back from China. I was in Beijing talking to Didi Kuaidi and Uber drivers. You guys have a partnership with Didi Kuaidi, and I'm wondering, how is that partnership going so far? What's the most important part of that partnership for you guys?
Yeah, it's going really well. I was also, before I saw Carl, the week before, I was in Beijing with Didi. And in a few months, we're going to be launching what we call global roaming or global coverage, where you can actually take your Lyft app, take a ride to JFK, land in Beijing, and use Lyft still without needing to open up another account, without needing to read Chinese, and get your ride when you land. I think that's one of the biggest unlocks, is that both with the Didi service coming to the U.S. and vice versa, those 8 million travelers a year will be able to use our platform.
Is there any city where Lyft has more traction than Uber?
These are the two cities that we're talking about today. So that's what we're sharing today.